Welcome to my second channel, Flea Bitten Side Quests. My name's Tom, and today I'm at the Connecticut Trolley Museum in East Windsor, Connecticut. And we're going to be taking a ride on a trolley built by the Wason Manufacturing Company in 1926. It was operated by the Springfield Electric Railway until 1956 when it was retired, and it's been at this museum since 1956. This is Springfield Electric Railway number 16. So now come along with me and let's take her for a spin.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Connecticut Trolley Museum. The next car out for 146 will be on board Springfield Railway Company car number 16. That is the combination car. Turn the car on the straight track at Northwest Station. All passengers are checking with their gift shop and have your tickets with attention or reservations in order. May make your way down to the trolley car at this point in time. This car will be departing in approximately 5 minutes. All aboard.
And don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Thanks.
Look at it. Yeah.
I know, we're supposed to be leaving.
Alrighty, folks. Hello and welcome to the Connecticut Trolley Museum. My name is Patrick. I'll be your motorman for this journey. Right here next to me is the current journey motorman, Roger. Before we get going, I have a few quick safety announcements. Please, no heads, hands, arms, legs, small children, or thank you, or anything you're particularly fond of. Please keep it within the refrains of the car at all times. Also, if you want a window adjusted or moved in any way, please ask one of us once the car has come to a stop. These windows are the better part of 100 years old. They're all original and they're about 30 pounds apiece. So if that falls down, it's going to break your hand. Oh boy, it hurts. One last quick thing though is please no standing or moving around the car at any point in time, because falling over and or out in some cars' cases is a genuine possibility. Not to scare anybody though. So once again, please remain seated at all times. One last thing I ask of all of you is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Alright?
Thank you.
Keep forgetting I put that thing up here every time.
Here we go.
Car 16 requesting permission at station 9 to return.
9 in return, you have track 1 to the main.
Right, one man.
Here we go.
Never seen a bike though with one having 2 wheels on the front.
Okay, it's better than having 2 wheels on the back, otherwise it's like a tricycle. Those things fall over.
Dad's gonna be happy.
John or John?
She's getting some exercise.
Yep.
getting off. I don't know.
Our crossing gates are actually 1920s technology, and we've been having problems with the heat this summer. Not functioning properly. That's probably the railroad.
Ah.
again, ladies and gentlemen. Hello and welcome to the Connecticut Trolley Museum. My name's Patrick. I've been your motorman for this journey. Turning the car around from the outside is our return journey motorman, Roger. The car you're riding on is Springfield, Vermont Terminal Railway Company car number 16. This is currently the only combination car we have in operation here at the Connecticut Trolley Museum. We own two on property, this one and Springfield car number 10, that's inside the museum building. These cars are a little bit unique. As you can tell, only half the space is for passengers, the other half is for freight. Thank you.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
I was getting water off the tanks.
Uh-huh. Thanks. Anyways. These cars are genuine workhorses. This car in particular actually was converted into a work car before it came here in the 1950s. So what they did was they took all the seats out, boarded up all the glass and all the doors and everything else. And when we got it, for some reason, we also got all their seats and everything else to put it all back together. So I think it was about 2008, 2009 was the first full season this car was back in revenue service. We have a wonderful restoration team here that helped out with a lot of our work. Last year we just finished restoring our Golden Chariot Montreal Tramways Car 4. That is always a spectacle, especially around Christmas time.
Actually, yeah, it does, but you're not gonna have a lot of that against the bulkhead.
Does anyone have any questions before we start turning around?
We're gonna turn around now.
Oh yeah, this is the fun part. Everyone gets out and spins the car around. I'm just kidding. This turning around car does not necessarily mean actually turning it around. Most of the cars here at the Trolley Museum have two ends. This one does. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up and we're going to flip the seat. So if you guys want to stay the way you are, that's up to you. But please ask one of us to come and grab your seat for you, as these are quite sticky. We also have a few bench seats on that side of the car if anyone wants to sit in the front on the way back.
Alright, go. Come on, Brindley. Ready to go.
There's very limited room on the benches, so fair warning.
Okay, so guy in the bike again.
Have them get it.
Persistent. Does anyone else want to be turned around? This one?
You guys sit here. And then this one. Papito, you gotta get up, baby. Go with that one. You go back here. No, you take it.
Thank you. Some people didn't understand.
Just have him sit down though on the chair because he doesn't like that.
Not bad for a 70-year-old steam trolley. Well, electric trolley.
100-year-old.
100-year-old. Oh, now I feel even worse.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha.
Alright. Once again, folks, please remain seated while the car is in motion. It won't be as loud as it's on this end now, because it's going to be blowing on that side. People in the apartment on that side are going to get deafened, because that's cold. Sheet metal and wood, not like insulation. say, we have a fun little piece of history for you to have a try at. If there's anybody from any children from the ages 0 to 99 or over, you are more than welcome to come up to either end of the car and ring the bell or blow the whistle. Either end. So come on over and find out. Fair warning is quite loud.
Up there, over there, over here.
Alright. See this right here? Straight up.
Ring the bell? You wanna go with it?
Up. Fun, huh?
Ring the bell.
Yeah.
Want to ring the bell?
Ring the bell too. Right back. You gotta stomp hard. Like you're mad. Yeah! Oh,
There you
this is
go.
one of the harder ones to do.
Look, sir.
Alright. That right there on the floor? Like you're mad. Stomp high. Yeah!
Diego, you wanna do it?
That's the whistle. Pull straight up. Up. Up.
Wow.
Good one. Right there on the floor.
Press it. Alright. Let me write you it.
Hard. There we go. Wanna blow the whistle? No? Alright. Anybody else? You want it? Pull straight up. Wow, okay. Good figure.
No more, Mikey.
Then here we have our pumpkin patch in October, out here.
That's cool.
That starts the last weekend in September, running through the entire month of October, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, we have a
Then
bunch of
at
fun
night,
stuff coming
we
up.
have what's called Rails to the Dark Side, which is our highly rated PG-13.
I always forget.
Why did we start the train?
He's just have like he's
Halloween
talking stuff and
Halloween.
Yes. Then starting the weekend
There's a
after
bunch of pumpkins over
Thanksgiving,
there
Friday night,
doing Halloween.
starts our Christmas program.
At the
We're on
airport?
to all the Christmas.
That was right here.
It's real nice.
This is actually the flag that we
Wait,
use
what's that
when we
white
stop at the grade crossing. When I get off the car, the flag the crossing. This is what's supposed to stop the traffic, so the traffic doesn't run into the trolley car while you're out in the middle of the crossing.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Yeah. Actually, that's a very
I
good
think he looked.
question. We actually,
You knew?
so everybody knows,
Yay, I got a good one.
the handles, this is actually what we call our brake handle. And the brake handle is what actually stops the car. And then, we also have the, now think of mom and grandma and grandpa's and dad's car key. This is the car key that runs the car. In forward, neutral, and reverse. We can do that from both ends. If we had a controller failure at that end, we could run the car from reverse from the back end of the car to get us back. And this is our accelerator handle. Know how you have a gas pedal in the car? This is the accelerator handle that divides the power through the streetcar to get its power to run the car.
And don't worry, folks. Yes, they're all supposed to come off,
Yes.
including the brake handle.
Yep. Yeah. That's,
Without further ado, I think we'll be on our way. And it rolls. today. We hope you enjoyed. Please disembark from this side of the car. We hope to see you again soon.
All right, well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.